Hello everyone, welcome to Webcool Modules. Today, we are going to understand the functionality of Odoo website buy now module. Before we start, let's see some of the features of the module. The Odoo website buy now facilitates quicker checkouts for customers on your website. It adds a buy now button on both the shop page and product page for faster purchase. The customers can directly click on the buy now button and proceed with the checkout by skipping the cart altogether and save their time. So let's start with the configuration of the module. As soon as the installation process is completed, visit your Odoo's website front end and click on the shop button. Here, under the Customize Theme tab, you can enable or disable the buy now option as you can see here. If the option is enabled, you will be able to see a shopping bag icon while hovering the cursor over the products. You can also see the buy now option on the product page itself. Click on this button and proceed with the payment page. Click on Pay Now. Once the order is successfully placed, you can see that the original cart is automatically recovered. So here we come to an end of the configuration. I hope you will find this video helpful. In case of any issue queries regarding the module, please raise a ticket at the link given in the description box below. Till then, bye everyone, and we'll meet you in the next video.